Also, the good thing with this vehicle is it's got Meridian speakers, and B, it's got audio streaming. So if to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system, all you need to do, go to music, you'll see at the bottom there, if you click that, iPhone Discovery Sport, Discovery Sport has a tick next to it. That means any audio that plays from your phone, it will come through the speakers in this, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime, the audio from a YouTube video, Apple Music, it will play. So this is playing here. What we need to do now is we need to go over to the media side of it. So you can either click there and that takes you to source, and then you decide which source, or click on the home screen and it takes you to the same thing. But now we click on source and we need to select Bluetooth audio, like so. So let's see, just liven that up again, turn that up, and then turn the killers up. That's how you stream audio.